A new fitness company that just came out that just might change the way you work out. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Hey guys, in today's episode, I wanted to do a quick video about a company that I just bought yesterday that I think has the opportunity to change the way people work out. I know there's already companies that are doing something similar to this, but I think this is just a little bit different. And I like this Spac for a couple of important reasons that I'm going to point out during the video. Once again, guys, this is not financial advice. This is just my information, what I think can generate wealth in the future, but it's just my personal information. I just like putting two and two together and giving you guys some really good plays that I think that could do really well in the future. The name of the company that we're going to be discussing today is Forest Road, ticker symbol FRX. That is a fairly recent SPAC, but has just agreed to merge with Beachbody. For those that kind of remember that name, that company has been around for quite some time. It's a company that used to send you DVDs back when DVDs were in style, and you used to play them, and then you used to work out to the disc. And they're still doing the same thing now. The only difference now is that they are now streaming everything. So they've made it to where they no longer have to produce a DVD and send it out. They could just stream it to millions of people at the same time. And just let's take a look at their website, and I'll go through the stock right now. It's currently trading at the moment that we're doing this video. Currently trading at $11.79. We did pick up 100 shares of this stock to put in our retirement account. I just think at this price, I think it's like a giveaway. And I'm going to compare that to another company that it can relate to. It's not exactly the same, but it can relate to, and I think it has a potential of going that same route. It's a great time to pick up some shares. It's super cheap. Today in the morning, I actually went all the way up to $12.38. I'm not going to sell this company for the price that I got. Like I said, it has extreme upside, I think, and if this works out, and I think it's going to work out because of certain reasons, and we're going to connect the dots in this video. Okay, so stay tuned. Beachbody is a workout fitness program that people are currently subscribed to, and you're probably going to be amazed at the number of people that are already subscribed to this company. So not only can you work out like online, as you see in the video here, but you can work out, and they also offer programs and meal programs and follow your meal plans and stuff like that, where you can follow these steps, and it'll lead you to being able to lose weight and getting fit. Because of the pandemic, because a lot of places are still closed, I think this has a potential of doing really well. Not only now, but even when the gyms open back up, I think a lot of people have realized that you can do a lot from home now, a lot more than you used to, because people have actually taken the initiative to actually staying home, doing stuff at home, getting their own little gym workout at home, and I think this will help along the way. So there's two important parts and key things to this company, okay? One of them, and the reason that I got convinced with this company, is this reason here. These two guys here. So I'm going to read it off to you. Ex-Disney executives invest in digital fitness business, Beachbody. Okay? I'm going to read this off to you. This guy right here, Kevin Mayer, he was actually the person that helped the team develop Disney Plus. So he was one of the main persons that actually helped develop Disney's online platform, where now they're creating so much revenue off of that that you could see it reflect on their stock, and you can and this person is coming on board with Beachbody to help them do the same. So you have a working product that has subscribers, and I'm going to get into that. That's a second reason. Has subscribers, generating income. And I think these two guys here can take them to the next level. And that's why I'm intrigued by this company with what they can do if this develops the way it should. Okay, I'm going to read it. I'm going to read a little bit further more for you. Former prominent Walt Disney Company executives Kevin Mayer and Tom Staggs are folding their $300 million investment vehicle into Beachbody, an at-home health and fitness company. The two executives are betting that digital apps and streaming platforms have become potent lifestyle brands. Digital and online streaming. Big. When I think of that, I think of Netflix. When I think of that, I think of Fubo TV. When I think of that, I think of the future. That's what I think when I'm seeing these type of companies coming out. Here we go. Beachbody Company, for example, has 2.6 million subscribers who pay $29 a month to stream workouts and gain access to weight loss plans. Guys, these guys, Beachbody, already have a working product. They already have 2.6 million subscribers paying $29 a month. Guys, it doesn't take a genius to connect the dots and say, wow, these guys have 2.6 million subscribers. They're teaming up with these dudes that took Disney and put them online with Disney Plus. If they can do something similar with this company and open up the market for them, think about what they can generate after. Here we go. Coaching, nutrition plans, supplements, and healthy recipes. The Santa Monica company markets P90X as well as other popular exercise regimens. So I was listening to a video on the CEO, and he wants to compare his company somewhat like famous company already on the market doing great, Peloton. Okay? Peloton, if you look at the 1 year, they started off as a $19 stock a year ago. And look where they've gone to. They've gone all the way up to 145, and I think their high is somewhere around 160, 170. So I'm not trying to compare them to Peloton, but that's their competition. And when we see that Peloton is doing real well, and what they have is a bike interactive and you can work out on it, that's fine and all. A lot of people don't like just to do that. A lot of people like to do different types of workouts. I haven't really looked into Peloton, but I can see the similarities. They're streaming, they're online, there's stuff like that, okay? Memberships. You have a company that has already existing product. It has already generating over 2.5 million subscribers, and they're planning to shoot this out to the world. Not just the US, the world, guys. So I think their market is tremendous, and I think it's a very good investment to get in right now because it's only 11 something. Imagine that hits $50. Imagine if it hits 100. It's a long-term hold, guys. That's something I'm going to keep in my portfolio. I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to move it. If it goes down, if it goes up, who cares? Leaving it there. For the price, I think you can't beat it. Anyways, guys, with that, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. I thank you so much for staying tuned. If you stay tuned all the way to this point, and I want to repeat to you guys, I keep repeating, follow us at Investing OG on Twitter, because that's where we give the latest information in the morning. Yesterday, we called out the feds were coming out. Market tanked. Buying opportunity. Helped us make, more money. If you were right there, you could have took advantage as well. But follow us there. And if you found any of this information informative, please like and subscribe. Please hit the notification button. It alerts you. You have to hit the notification bell because it will alert you every time we bring out a video. With that, guys, thank you so much. Have a great one, and I'll see you on the next one.